Annotations are a way to add personal notes within your template. They are highlighted with a yellow background to make them easily visible. To add an annotation, highlight your required text and select the annotation feature in the editor toolbar. Alternatively, you can enable the feature and type out your annotation. Don't forget to deactivate the feature once you're done. If your annotation takes up a whole line, you can turn the line into a clickable line so it doesn't create an empty line in your notes. They can include reminders or tips, website links, or quick access to pieces of information. Their content is not included in your generated clinical note. Once you realize how powerful they are, you'll use them more frequently in your templates. Date fields are a quick way to include a specific date in your clinical notes. Once its value has been set, the date will be added to your clinical note. Use date fields to automatically insert dynamic dates, such as today's date or a future date, into your note.